never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Rockefeller's first real foray into business came in 1859 when he decided to invest in the oil industry, a field that was just beginning to boom with the discovery of oil in Pennsylvania. This was a bold move for a young man still learning the ropes of business, but Rockefeller saw potential in oil that others overlooked. The crude oil from the Pennsylvania wells was used primarily to make kerosene, which was in high demand as a source of lighting. Rockefeller saw the opportunity to refine and distribute it more efficiently, making it more affordable and accessible to the masses. John D. Rockefeller's first oil refinery, which he co-owned with Maurice B. Clark, was established in 1863. At the time, the oil industry was still in its infancy, and the market was flooded with small, inefficient refineries that couldn't keep up with the demand. Rockefeller saw an opportunity not just to refine oil, but to dominate the entire supply chain. His sharp business mind and aggressive strategies quickly set him apart from his competitors. By cutting costs, improving technology, and securing exclusive transportation contracts with railroads, he was able to scale his operations and expand his reach. In 1870, John Rockefeller co-founded the Standard Oil Company, which quickly became the most powerful and influential oil company in the United States. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Rockefeller's approach was simple yet groundbreaking: vertical integration. By controlling every aspect of the oil industry, from drilling to transportation to refining and distribution, Standard Oil was able to reduce costs and maximize profits. This made it nearly impossible for any competitor to challenge his company. By the 1880s, Standard Oil controlled nearly 90% of the American oil market. Rockefeller's success was based on his ability to streamline operations, cut out inefficiencies, and dominate the industry. However, this was not without controversy. Rockefeller's competitors accused him of using unfair business practices, such as undercutting prices and securing preferential treatment from railroads to drive them out of business. His dominance in the market and the way he eliminated competition led to a public outcry, and many called for government intervention. In 1911, the U.S. government, in response to increasing pressure from the public and smaller businesses, filed a lawsuit against Standard Oil for violating antitrust laws. The Supreme Court ruled that Standard Oil was a monopoly and ordered its dissolution into 34 smaller companies. Ironically, the breakup of Standard Oil made Rockefeller even wealthier, as he still held significant shares in many of the companies that emerged from the split. Companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron, which would later go on to become industry giants. Although John D. Rockefeller is often remembered for his immense wealth and business empire, what is truly remarkable about his life is his commitment to philanthropy. After retiring in the early 20th century, Rockefeller devoted his life to giving back to society. He believed in the responsibility of wealth, and he set out to make the world a better place. Throughout his life, Rockefeller gave away more than $500 million, an astonishing amount equivalent to billions of dollars today. He was passionate about education, health, and scientific research, and his contributions changed the course of history. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. In 1892, he founded the University of Chicago, which would become one of the world's leading educational institutions. He also established Rockefeller University, a world-renowned center for medical research. Perhaps his most profound legacy was the creation of the Rockefeller Foundation in 1913. The foundation has spent billions of dollars advancing public health, education, and scientific discovery. It was instrumental in eradicating diseases like malaria and yellow fever in the early 20th century, and continues to support global health initiatives today. John D. Rockefeller's legacy is multifaceted. He was not just a businessman, he was a philanthropist, an innovator, and a man who believed deeply in the power of giving. His story proves that success isn't defined just by how much wealth one accumulates, but by how that wealth is used to better the lives of others. John D. Rockefeller's life offers a powerful lesson. No matter where you start, with determination, vision, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, you can overcome any obstacle. His journey from a poor boy in rural New York to a billionaire philanthropist teaches us that true success lies not just in the fortune we build, but in the impact we leave behind.